I'll just deliver the rewritten script directly. B-roll, laptop screen, showing star ratings. I'll be straight with you. Lindy.ai shows 4.9 stars on review sites, but only 2.4 on Trustpilot. B-roll, solo founder working alone at desk. I fired my 20-an-hour assistant after 3 weeks of testing this. One prompt replaced her entire job. B-roll, inbox filling with emails. Lindy reads your inbox, labels invoices, and drafts replies in your tone. You just review and hit send. Drop a comment if email is eating your day. B-roll, calendar syncing across devices. It finds open meeting slots, sends invites, and reschedules automatically. Its voice agent, Gaia, even answers calls for 0.19 a minute. B-roll, side-by-side automation builders. Zapier needs technical setup. Lindy builds the same workflow from one plain English prompt. Which would you rather build at 9 p.m.? B-roll, pricing tiers on screen. Plus is $49.99 a month. Pro is $99.99. Max hits $199.99. The free tier locks out almost every real workflow. Which tier would you actually pay for? B-roll, rating stars, animating onto screen. After running this daily for a month, I'm giving Lindy a 6.5 out of 10. Great for inbox and calendar busy work. Skip it if you need predictable, debuggable automation. That's still Zapier's job. B-roll, subscribe button animation. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.